It's 9 p.m. and I'm here to pick up the gutter machines. That way I don't have to wait for delivery. That's gonna be the junior, and we still have these two that I'm picking up. Well, 3 pallets. 5K machine. Loading it into the truck. Loading it up. There it is. Hey Doug, picking up your gutter machine right here at the warehouse. They just got it delivered. Gonna go straight into your truck. Doug, your machine has arrived. The full size KWM. We'll have to unpack it. No guillotine. And I think it has a full size crate. We'll probably unpack it tomorrow. We have a junior, I believe, with a guillotine. We have, what is this one? That's a full size. That's Doug's machine. That one's sold. We have a 5K machine. That one is sold, I believe. Yep. And then we have this one. This one's sold as well. So they go pretty quick. This one has the guillotines. And I forget whose this machine is for. Wilbert. Yes, Wilbert needs to pick up this machine. This one has the 5-6 combo. And I believe he got the crate and the spool holder.